Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow calendar permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager, and now in permission manager click on calendar. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the calendar permissions. So if you want to deny a app to use calendar permission, go to the allowed section and find that app. So if you don't want to allow Google to use calendar, then tap on Google and from here select don't allow. Now here click on don't allow anyway to confirm, and then the Google will move to the not allowed section. So here you can see the Google is now moved to the not allowed section. And if you want to allow a app to use calendar permissions, then tap on that app and now click on allow, and now you can see the Google is moved to the allowed section. So that's how you can allow or don't allow calendar permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.